Summer is nearly here, and hey, it means summer dresses, yay. And I found some gorgeous ones with sleeves, even bigger, yay. Hello, I'm your friend Deirdre, and a big welcome back to my channel, the channel for ladies over 50. And I hope you're all doing really, really well. So ladies, I am in Greece, but I've got a beautiful video for you all about summer dresses. Very stimulating being in Greece. Have a little quick look, quick sneak at this place. Okay. So as I say, in this video, I've selected 10 fabulous dresses from a range of brands, different ones, different price points, all with sleeves, either long or short, which I thought you'd love, because I know that for many of us, sleeves are really important, and I totally get that. And also, these dresses are all pretty much made from natural materials, so they're easy, breezy, and breathable. So let's dive in before they get sold out. My first dress that I loved is dress 1. So this first dress is from H&M. It's a tie belt shirt dress, white, blue patterned, absolutely beautiful, very reasonably priced, 100% viscose, and it comes in loads of prints, but I just love the style. It's calf length with a collar, buttons down the front, and little short raglan sleeves. So it's got some elastication at the back, gathering at the front and the back, and as I said, it's a detachable belt. Now H&M always do a really good range of summer dresses at reasonable prices, and most of them are natural materials like this one, and they do tie belt dresses every year, and they're always really popular. Now I can see this one styled up with a lovely navy belt too, if you wanted to change out the belt that comes with it, the fabric belt. And this would be great for wedding dress outfits, picnic occasions, summer events. Such an easy dress. Now they've had some reviews, because as I said, it's quite new in, but a lot of people have bought it, and somebody said this nips me in at the waist and falls beautifully, floaty and feminine. The sleeves are elbow length but slightly fluted, so very, very flattering. And it says, and she said, the material is thin but it's not see-through, so absolutely perfect. So now for my dress 2, which is quite a lot different. This is a cotton midi t-shirt dress in tangerine orange. Actually, by coincidence, also H&M, so also very reasonably priced, although this actually is originally a COS t-shirt dress. Effortless this is, it's loose, it's comfortable, and it's made from soft, naturally breathable cotton. So with the beautiful tangerine color, it's really vibrant. It also comes in black. And it's cut in a crew neck shape around the neck, and has a midi hem. It's got some elongated side splits as well. Now it's a regular fit, it's not oversized, but it does have plenty of space, really relaxed. Now I can see this actually perfect to wear casually with flat sandals, or dressed up if you wanted to, and of course you could add a belt if you wanted, although it does look beautiful as it is. And I love the easiness of this dress. You know, it's perfect to be dressed up for evening. Perhaps you could team it with gold or silver jewelry or black accessories, or worn casually with flat sandals for a hot day on holiday. Okay, let's move on to my dress 3. So dress 3, this dress comes from Boden. This is the Alexa maxi shirt dress, and this particular print is pink peony. Botanic blush, I think it is. Now, if you haven't discovered Boden yet, they're a really great brand for natural materials, classic but modern pieces that are also wardrobe staples but with a twist. Now this is 100% cotton, machine washable, and it's got that beautiful flattering shape of fit and flare. And it's designed to fall at the low calf, so in that thin bit just before it gets to the ankle. And it's even got pockets, yay. And again, there's a detachable self fabric belt. Now there are some different options for styling this, of course. You could go with tan actually as an accent. It's a surprisingly lovely combo with vibrant pink, and perhaps a pair of bold gold earrings to make the whole look very contemporary. Or you could go with ivory for perhaps a lighter summery feel, and a bright coloured belt which picks up the same kind of pink but also brings in another colourway as well. Both beautiful options. Of course you could style it any way you want it, but it's a really versatile dress, and as I say, it comes in other prints too, and a petite size as well. Okay, for my dress 4. So my dress 4 is from Nobody's Child. This is a blue denim Shannon midi dress, 100% organic cotton, total wardrobe staple. Now, I always love Nobody's Child dresses. I think they're gorgeous designs, great cuts, and they're mostly natural materials too. Now, this is a really dreamy, lightweight denim, and it's a mid-wash midi dress. As I said, it's a perfect wardrobe staple. You know, it's got a V-neck, flattering, a classic button front, and you can just wear this everywhere. It's perfect with wedges or espadrilles, as you can see here, or flats, or you can dress it up with some pretty sandals and a clutch bag too. Now, it does have short sleeves, and as I said, a button front, and under the bust, the seams are really designed to flatter too. So as I said, do have a little look at Nobody's Child in general, because, you know, they are a really good quality brand and they do some beautiful dresses. So dress 5 is from ASPIGA, another great quality brand as well. This is the Sustainable Billy short sleeve organic cotton dress, and this is in sage green with white. So this beautiful Billy short sleeve dress is kind of casual glamour, you know, it can take you from day to night depending on how you style it, and it's in organic lightweight cotton, and it's slip-on style, really easy to wear with a shired sort of smocking waistband, and so it's got comfort with style for the summer. And you know, you get the sense of waist definition with this dress, but it doesn't pull you in too far. It's not restrictive at all. Now, I love ASPIGA because they always produce such quality and they last and last. In fact, I've got an ASPIGA dress which I filmed in exactly this place last year, and I can see myself wearing it for years to come. The prints are to die for, particularly in that dress, which I will link below. And it's light and airy, really comfy. And of course, these dresses come in 2 lengths as well, one for women over 5'6" and one for 5'5" and under. And this one that I'm showing you, this green one, comes in other beautiful colorways too, sort of pinks and blues as well. Just having a little sip of my gorgeous iced coffee. It's a real speciality here in Greece. If you come to Greece, have an iced coffee. Anyway, I'm going to show you now some gorgeous striped dresses. Number 6 is fabulous. It's a striped linen dress with a fabric belt, and this is from Mango. It's got strong, vibrant Mediterranean colors. Absolutely love this dress. It's great with black accessories, as long as they're not too chunky, because you don't want to take away from the strong, you know, colors of the actual dress. Cotton and linen blend. It's a longish design, straight design, not too much fabric so you don't feel swamped, and just so flattering with the stripes. What I love also is that it's a beautiful classic design with the shirt collar as well, but it's in a really modern design as well. I think the print looks really modern. Dress is long sleeve. Well, actually it's 3/4 length sleeve, so that length is always flattering as well. Now, the ribbon on the waist has a tie closure, and there's a front closure also with buttons. So the whole cut and design will really accentuate slimness and height, and I think it's a really elegant dress, but still very relaxed. Now, I think this dress would work very well with a little black clutch bag maybe, black strappy sandals and black sunglasses, as you can see here. But if you wanted more of a casual holiday kind of vibe, I think it would also look great with raffia accessories. Really work beautifully with those too. Okay, so dress 7 is another stripy dress, and this one is from Amazon. So this is really stunning. It's a navy striped dress, very reasonably priced, as you would expect from Amazon, from .com and .co.uk, and it's a maxi shirt dress with a belt, and it's got a side slit. So I think it's a really great number to look trendy, but also kind of classic. It's got a lapel collar, short sleeve, high-waisted too, which also adds to the sort of flattering cut. So I think it's a very slimming fit, even though it's a relaxed fit, you know. It's because it's so straight in terms of the stripes, but it has a very slight A-line silhouette, but it's not full. It's got a side slit as well so that you can walk, and it makes it really flattering. I think it's an elegant, flowy maxi shirt dress, and all cotton. So overall, I think this dress is relaxed, and yet it looks so chic at the same time, particularly in this colorway. Of course, you could swap out the fabric belt too if you wanted to change it up a little bit, and it does come in 2 other types of stripes, light blue and a red. Now, there are some reviews on this dress. One of them says this is a great quality dress, washes well, looks very polished, with a fabric that is a perfect combination of sturdy and flowy. So it's really worth looking at the reviews for these sorts of things. Okay, the next couple of dresses are perfect for an occasion, or even for a wedding dress outfit. No, not wedding dress, wedding guest. Well, you might be getting married, but more likely being a guest. So let's move to my dress 8. So for dress 8, we're going back to Bowden again. It's a real go-to when you're looking for quality, trust me. This is a volume sleeve, so it's got like a puffy sleeve midi dress in poppy red. And I really do think this is a great wedding guest outfit. It's 96% viscose, so pretty natural. And the sleeve lining is also, it's got a sleeve lining as well, so it's not going to be showing your arms. It's a fit and flare shape, so that's always a very flattering shape with a V-neck, and obviously that creates that extra elongation. And I love those little puff sleeves too. It's designed to be maxi length, falling to your ankles, so again, very, very elegant. And it's got that detachable self fabric belt. And I can see it worn with heels for a wedding, or more dressed down, of course. Now this dress is just in, but I can really see it being a huge bestseller. It's really versatile, and I really adore that vibrant colour, which is actually very on trend. You need to go and watch my video about summer trends, what's in, what's out, because red is really, really in. Oh, and it also comes in a petite size as well. Okay, for my dress 9, this is another beautiful one. This is Marks and Spencer's, so again, a very reasonable price point. It's a printed V-neck puff sleeve midi tea dress, they call them. And I think this is really good for smart occasions. I love the femininity of this print. It's actually little tiny butterflies, and yet it's so chic at the same time, and it's not at all girly. Now this is viscose. And I can see this looking utterly fabulous with perhaps a black fascinator or a hat at a wedding with silver accessories, just so fabulous. Or you can style it more casually too with a denim jacket and ballet flats if you wanted to, because that's modern with it, or with sneakers and a little smart jacket and maybe a touch of red. So I'm finishing with my number 10, which is a gorgeous coloured dress and so relaxed. Back to ASPIGA again, and this is in a colour cornflower, which is just the most vibrant shade. It's sustainable, it's designed as a holiday dress, but you know, you can wear it anytime. Made from 100% European flax, linen flax. This is called the Charlotte dress. It's lightweight and perfect to take you right through from now through into the summer. This midi dress, it features a full button through front and gathered tiers falling from like an empire sort of line here. So it keeps you really cool on summer days. And also it features a bracelet length sleeve is what they call it. So that is perfect because you're not forever pushing the sleeves up if you want to stay cool. So I really hope you've enjoyed this video, ladies. A little bit different. I do apologize for some of the noise, but you know, this is real life out here on the Greek islands. So if you've loved this video, please give it a like, and if you've liked the look of the iced coffee, try it when you come here. And I will see you very, very soon for more style videos, and lots of love. Bye.